In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play campaign in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access the single player campaign in Stick War 3. It is extremely simple, and in fact, it is going to be the primary focus of the game. So you will be able to do the campaign either online or offline. All that you have to do is go over to play, and usually you will see the single player and multiplayer tabs where you can play with or against other people and you can practice in single player. However, the default option is campaign, and this is all you have to do to play the campaign in Stick War 3. Just tap play and you will have 3 slots for the campaign. Choose whichever one you want to use, and once you start the new save slot, you will be able to go through the campaign. So there will be a lot of cutscenes back to back, and I'm gonna skip them for the purposes of this video. You should take your time and carefully watch them. For this video, I'm just teaching you how to access the campaign and how it looks visually. But this is all you have to do. Immediately upon watching the cutscenes, the game will start, and you will be able to get instructions on how it works. As you can see, you can change specific stickmen here to assign them to specific jobs, and you can use your skills on your deck to train your army, train the miners, and the sword ref, and it is extremely simple to do. Just follow the instructions here, you will be able to train them accordingly, gather the materials, and go through the entirety of the campaign. So of course the campaign has a single player focused story and mode, but if you want to play with or against other people, you can do so later by going over to the multiplayer options, and then you will be able to initiate 1v1s or 2v2s. All that you have to do is make sure that you select those options instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the campaign in Stick War 3. I hope you were able to follow step by step, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.